Hi, it is 10:03 a.m. on January 23rd, 2026. I have this pot of boiling water. It was just boiling. I just took it off the stove. The current temperature in Chanhassen, Minnesota is negative 19 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 28 degrees Celsius. Hold on, that's my dog Missy. Hey Missy, how are you? I'm gonna do a little science experiment. So the temperature is negative 19 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 28 degrees Celsius. It's 10:03 a.m. January 23rd, 2026. This is my other dog, Fanny. I need to make sure she doesn't get outside. So I'm gonna throw this water up in the air and see what happens. I've never done this before, so let's see what happens. So here I have this pot of just boiling water. I'm gonna throw it up. Let's change, see if I can. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna throw this up into the air. All right, that's what happened.